Hey Rob, I'm incredibly lucky, and today I stumble upon a Volvo. Look, look, look. Volvo in mint metallic. I don't know, it's not metallic, it's a light mint color, and it looks very vintage-like again. Yeah, cool, cool, cool. Yeah. So, a closer look to the wheels, Volvo, and a closer look to the Scheibenwischer here, and to the bumper here. I'm happy, I'm happy. Cool Rob cars everywhere in Berlin. That means you should come here to Berlin to check it out one day. So now I'm gonna take a look inside for you. Or I take pictures. Oh, I feel like I will get into trouble if the owner comes around, but I take pictures now. Bye, Rob.